to talk about a song. Bar Maryam. Riyamo?
Yeah.
Etra പേർക്ക് അറിയാം? Okay. Bar Maryam, Bar Maryam, Bar Allah, Dildas Maryam. What a treasure of text and melody. When I went to New York first time for my master's and I wanted to do my master thesis, I was thinking about so many things, and finally I decided on studying the singing styles of Putthanpana, because that's what I heard from my childhood, from my mother. And so finally, while studying that, I realized people are using Syriac modes to sing, to create chants. And then that gave me the impetus to study the Syriac chants. And when I suggested the idea to my professor, fortunately, he was a specialist in Middle Eastern music. So when I said this is Aramaic, he connected with it and he said, go ahead. So I want to talk about this Bar Maryam because people think that this is of the Canaanite people. Somehow this agenda has come forward. So you talk about Margangali, oh, other Canaanite Catholics. Bar Maryam, other Canaanite Catholic. Who told you? What is the evidence for that? These songs were our common patrimony. Bar Maryam. Of course, it is interesting. People call me to sing this song at the wedding. But this song must have been part of our common patrimony before this Knanaya Syro Malabar decision was surfaced. Bar Maryam, Bar Maryam, Bar Allah, Dildas Maryam. We are addressing Jesus as the son of Mary. That's why they probably do it at the end of the wedding, because Mary, for the first time, told her son, go and do it. They have no wine. And he said, what's your problem? I have no time. I'm not bothered about that. She said, no, go and do whatever he tells. So she makes things happen. Probably that's why they sing it at the end of the wedding. But we can sing it on a festive occasion. Please sing with me. Bar Maryam, Bar Maryam, Bar Allah, Dildas Maryam. Bar means son, Allah son of God. Bar Maryam, Bar Maryam, Bar Allah, the eldest Marian. Son of Mary, Mary brought forth the Son of God. Chandaruha, Bar Maryam, Parakleta, Bar Maryam, Bar Maryam, sing with Miriam, Bar The waters by his baptism. Son of Mary sent the Spirit, the Paraclete, and then goes on beautiful lyrics. The whole story, the narrative is compressed into simple combinations of words. So it is something to study. What a treasure of text and melody. So this is musicology, and there is so much available here for you to study.